ugly. Why do you talk like that? Because I'm sick. Why do you talk like that? Because I'm sick. You have candy for me, but no butter. I'm allergic to butter. Oh no, I don't have candy. Then why are you here? I'm supposed to get candy. Well, let's just say, give me some candy. That's a free candy. No. Why are you here? You look funny, and I want some candy. And you're not even wearing a bunny out. You're not even a bunny. Why do you have a blue shirt on? Okay. Yes, too much question. Why are we blue and white? Why is my wings black? I love black. Oh my god, no, my scarf is black. It's supposed to be pink. I want pink. I want pink. I want pink. I look white and evil. You're so annoying. What happened to the powers? I took them away because you were annoying me. I could fly. Ah! If I put the powers back on, you shut up. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm just your sister! Oh, why are you so annoying? That was a waste of makeup. Oh, say is this. You want candy? No! Get out of here. Thanks for watching. My feet are brown. Okay, enjoy the bloopers. Bye-bye.